How to display keyboard and mouse on screen with OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a JMV Technology Support Specialist. In this video, I'll show you how to display real-time keyboard keys and mouse clicks on screen using OBS Studio. If you stream gameplay, this feature will be very useful for you. Besides making streams more dynamic, showing your in-game commands helps viewers better understand your moves and techniques. If you're new to OBS, remember we have a free, comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. First, download the plugin and presets. The link is in the video description. Click Go to Download. You'll download 2 files here. The first is the presets, the second is the plugin installer for your OS. Install the plugin with OBS closed and extract the preset files. Put them in an easy-to-find folder as we'll need these files. With OBS open, click the plus button in Sources and select Overlay Capture. Name it for identification, then click OK. In this first field, we'll select the overlay image. Click Browse and go to the presets folder we downloaded. Here we have various display options, including some controls. But first, let's add the keyboard. We have the full keyboard model and the compact WASD version. Test which works best, but WASD is better for games. Select the image. Below, choose the config file from the same folder. You'll have 2 options, full and minimal. The full version also shows the tab key. Pick the best one and click OK. Now pressing these keys will light them up on screen in real time. Next, let's add the mouse. The process is the same. Add a new overlay capture source and name it. In the first field, click Explore, find the mouse folder and select the image. Then in the bottom field, click Explore again. Here you'll see 3 options. The first shows mouse movement with an arrow. The second with a dot. The third only shows clicks, not movement. Choose your preference and click OK. That's it. Now keyboard and mouse actions appear on screen in real time during your stream. Besides these settings, the plugin offers many other options to explore. If you need a live streaming platform, check out JMV Technology's plans for multi-platform streaming and exclusive features. For more info, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us for more content like this.